everyone, I am Vanilla. I am working as an assistant professor in the Department of Information Technology in V.S.B. Engineering College, Karur. In this session, we are going to discuss about the topic is basics of array. So, in C array is on structured data types. So, structured data type means it is a predefined data types. So, next we see the definition of array. So, array is a collection of similar type of data items that stored in a contiguous memory location. Array is a collection of similar type of data items that stored in a contiguous memory locations. So contiguous memory locations means memory is allocated to user process, that is contiguous memory locations. Next, array is a derived data types. So derived data type means each and every data are stored in an integer, character, float, double, etc. Okay. Next, each and every data, so array is on simple data structures. Here every data elements are accessed by using non-index number. So the index number is start with 0 and end with size minus 1. Next, declaration of array. While we are going to using on array, we must declare the array. So in declaration of array, specifying three things. One is data type, second one is name, and the third one is type. So declaration of array specifying three things: data type, name, size. Here in data type, we must, before going to declare the array, so the data type is important one. What kind of data we can store in data type? We use numbers means we can store in integer data type. We use character means, for example, A, B, C means, or string means, we use char data types. We use floating point value means we can store in float data types. Next, name is on identification. Okay, so name is on identify on array, that is name. Size means maximum number of elements that we can hold in an array. So these are the three things in an array. Syntax. The syntax of array is data type, array name, array size. Data type, array name, array size. Example, int a of 10. So here int is a data type, a is a array name, the size of array is 10. So already I told. So here this is the representation of array. Here the index elements, it starts with 0 and end with size minus 1. Here this is an array. Totally 7 elements are represented. The size of the array is size minus 1. That means the end of the array is size minus 1 means 7 minus 1. Totally 6 elements are using in an array. So each and every data elements are accessed by using the index number. So first element is 3. It's represented, the index number is 0. The second element is 8. It represents the index number is 1. And the third element is 1. It represents the index number is 2. The fourth element is 0. It represents the index number is 3. And the fifth element is index number is 4. Fifth element is the number is 5. It represented the index number is 4. And the sixth element is, it represented 2. It indexed by the number is 5. And the last, the 7th element is its number is 32. The index number is 6. Okay. Next, types of array. So here two types of array: one-dimensional array and two-dimensional array. First we see the one-dimensional array. So in one-dimensional array, we can store the elements in linear data structure. Here only one subscript we need to specify the array. The syntax of array is data type, array name, array size. The syntax of array is data type, array name, and array size. So in one-dimensional array, the initialization is done in two ways. One is at compile time initialization, second one is runtime initialization. In compile time initialization, the syntax is data type, array name, array size equal to list of elements of an array. Here for example, int n 5 equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here integer is a data type, the array name is n, the size of array is 5. The list of all elements of an array is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, ending with semicolon. This is the important one. Okay. Next, second one is the runtime initialization. Here in runtime initialization, we use for loop. For loop statement we can use in runtime initialization. Why we are going to use for loop means we get the input from the user. So for loop statement is used in runtime initialization. So next we see the example of one-dimensional array. Okay. So first this is the header section. Hash include stdio.h. Next int main of function. Next to open the main of statement. Int I equal to 0. So int I equal to 0 means 0 is a value. The value is stored in variable I. Okay. So next this is the initialization section. Int I equal to 0 is the initialization section. Next int x of I. This is the int x of I is a syntax of the one-dimensional array. Integer is a int is a data type. X is a name and 5 is the size of the array. Okay. Totally 5 elements we need to 5 elements are using in an array. Okay. So x of 0 equal to 10, x of 1 equal to 20, x of 2 equal to 30, x of 3 equal to 40, x of 4 equal to 50. Okay. So this is the initialization section. Only 5 elements are we need to initialize in an array. 5 elements we need to store in an array. Okay. So next we are using the for loop statement. For I equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. Open the for loop statement. Next to print the values. Okay. Print %d comma x of I. Next to close the for loop statement. So here %d is used here. Isn't it? Okay. So what is the use of %d? So we used integer values. So that's the thing we use %d here. So next to close the bracket. Next return of 0. Return why we are using 0 means
previous page.
Why we are using 0 means we use integer. Already in the top we declare the int main of section. So integer value we used. So we are so that's the we use return 0 here and close the main section. Okay. Next is the what is the output for this program. So first we check the condition. Okay. So in for loop is used. What is the use of for loop? To get the input from the user. Okay. So the for I equal to check the condition for I equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. This is our condition, isn't it? So for first thing, for I equal to 0 means for I, now the I value is 0. I value is 0 means 0 less than 5. To check the condition is true or false. 0 is less than to compare to 5. 0 is less. Okay. So next here to change the x of I. X of I means x of 0. Okay. X of 0. What is x of 0? X of 0 is 10. Okay. To print the first element. Okay. 10. Okay. Next here increment the value I plus plus. So next increment the value means next I equal to what is I? I equal to 1. Next 1 less than 5. 1 less than 5. The condition is true. The condition is true means now the x value is x of 1. Isn't it? Okay. X of 1. What is x of 1? X of 1 equal to 20. Okay. Next x of 1 equal to 20. Next print the next value. Okay. Next here we increment the value. What? Increment the value. Now the I value is 2, 2 less than 5. The condition is true or false? The condition is true. Next, change the I value. X of 2 equal to, what is x of 2? 30. Isn't it? To print the x of 2 value. Next, increment the value. Now the I value is 3. 3 less than 5. The condition is true or false? The condition is true. Now the I value is x of 3 equal to, what is x of 3? 40. Okay. So here, to print the I value. Next, increment the function, increment the value. Next, what value? What I value? X of 4. Here, I equal to 4. 4 less than 5. The condition is true or false? The condition is true. Now here, change the I value. X of 4 equal to, what is x of 4? X of 4 equal to 50. Okay. Next, print the x of 4 value. Okay, wow. Next, again we increment the value to check the condition. X equal to 5, isn't it? X equal to 5. 5 less than 5. The condition is true or false? The condition is false. Okay. Stop the loop statement. Okay. Okay. Have you all understood? Okay. Next. So next is the two-dimensional array. So in the collection of one-dimensional arrays are called two-dimensional array. What is two-dimensional array? The collection of one-dimensional array is called two-dimensional array. So in two-dimensional array, it consists of rows and columns. Okay. So the syntax of two-dimensional array is data type, array name, rows, column. So here, data type, array name, rows, column. So for example, int a 2 3. Okay. So here, for a data, integer is a data type, a is a array name, 2 is row size, and 3 is the column size. Here, so in two-dimensional array, we can declare 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay. Thank you.